At ERD, we work on a broad range of robotics, and usually we only have a small piece of a larger system. But in this case, we got to work on a whole 3-axis robot system. This is a 3-axis robot originally built by PRI Automation, or PRI Automation, for a system that was in an AWHS, or Automated Wafer Handling System. We repair a number of these types of systems for the semiconductor industry, including the CMS systems built by Daifuku. We have retrofitted a number of motor controls used in this system, and as part of the further development of our repair loop, we developed an in-house software interface that allows complete control of the 3 axes, which allows for the proper adjustment and alignment for use in the field. At ERD, we never stop fine-tuning our process for items we repair. Our entire database system is custom designed to add further information and steps as we discover them. We are never fully finished in any development, as each new item for repair adds new information to increase both the quality and speed of our repairs.